In this video, I'll be helping you with a math topic called Rationalizing a Denominator Containing a Single Term. We have an example here from the OpenStax College Algebra text, along with the how-to provided in that text. And in the how-to, we're told to first multiply the numerator and denominator by the radical in the denominator, and then to simplify. I could see modifying this a bit to say that we should simplify before we begin as well, if possible, just to keep things a little bit easier to manage. In this example, however, both the numerator and the denominator are in their simplest forms, so to rewrite this by rationalizing the denominator, we can follow the instructions given here, where we are told to multiply the numerator and denominator by the radical in the denominator. Our radical is the square root of 10, so we will multiply both the numerator and the denominator by the square root of 10, and then we can simplify. First, multiplying the numerator, we have that one coefficient outside, 2, and then multiplying the radicals, the square root of 3 times the square root of 10 is the square root of 30. And then in the denominator, again, we have the 3 on the outside, but this time the square root of 10 times the square root of 10 gives us the square root of 100, which is 10. So we can drop that square root, and that's the reason why we chose the square root of 10 over 10 in the first place, was so that we could drop the square root in the denominator. And then from here, we have 2 square roots of 30 in the numerator, and then 30 in the denominator. We can simplify here because that 2 outside the denominator is divisible by 2, and the 30 is divisible by 2. So our simplified expression has just the square root of 30 in the numerator and 15 in the denominator. I can't simplify any further because the radical will not simplify, and I can't cancel with the 30 under the radical and the 15 not under a radical. So this is in its simplest form.